Hi everyone, I'm Amalia and this is TressAllure's textured pixie cut. How cute is this? I mean, one of the things I love about a pixie is that you can style it so many different ways, and this wig right here does not disappoint. I can literally just put in some product and give myself like a super kind of rocker vibe, or you can take that product. First of all, you can give yourself a part wherever you want it, and you can really like gel it down if you want like kind of a wet look because of the way they rooted it with the blonder ends. Like, you can get away with a lot of versatility with this wig. You can piece the sides out, you can bring them back down, make them more coiffed. Like literally, like the style on this baby is so versatile, it's wild. And this still has, even though it is our little secret that this is a synthetic fiber, TressAllure's patented fiber allows you to still put heat on it, so you can make these ends a little curler if you want. You can straighten them out if you want to kind of spike it. Again, the versatility here is endless. One of the cool things, I'm going to show you the logistics on the inside, is they have a strap that allows you to customize the fit. So you can make it tighter. See, there's a little strap. You can make it tighter or looser, so whatever works for you, and really getting that perfect style around your face. See, it's so beautifully wefted in here, hand knotted. They do such a good job at TressAllure. So you put her back on. So cute. Literally, the sky is the limit with this. I personally would wear like a headband and maybe some really cute hoop earrings, and probably spike her down a little bit. I love having the sides kind of peek out. So this is the textured Pixie. There's 18 different colors. So choose 1, 2, or 3 that you love and have a different color every day. Thanks, TressAllure. I love it.